In this video, we see how the production of currency notes and coins takes place, which we can never avoid in our lives. Let's get into the video. Paper notes are an item that we all exchange all the time. Let's take a look at how this top secret money is made. Although known as paper notes, our currency notes are not completely paper. 80% of it is made of cotton. Big bales of cotton must have been kept in the factory for this purpose. The first step in note making starts by cutting it. Small pieces of this and paper pulp are mixed with water in a big bowl. With the help of sophisticated machinery, large sheets of paper of precise thickness and moisture content come out of this. Watermark should be printed on it. Watermark can be printed on the paper sheet when it is wet. Thus the watermarked paper sheets are taken out into a big roll. A small sample is taken from this and quality inspection is done to find out if there are faults and defects. After checking and making sure everything is done, cut the rolls into 3 smaller rolls of the same size. Holograms are now being added to the notes. For security reasons, no one says exactly how the hologram fits inside the paper. In any case, after passing through many machines, the hologram will become a part of the paper. It is rechecked to ensure quality. The next step is to cut the paper from the large rolls into small square pieces. All this happens automatically. Humans are required only for quality checking occasions. The cut sheets are sorted into sets according to their number and left for printing. From there, if the workers take this sheet and put it in the machine itself will take each sheet and leave it for printing. Passed through a multi-color rolling machine, the notes are printed in a variety of shades. Quality inspection of printed notes is done, and if there is any problem in printing, the quality inspector also ensures that every color shade is within the correct range. The next step is silkscreen printing. This printing is done using a special type of ink. The next thing to do is intaglio printing, which is a technique to create a floating texture that you can see on top of the notes. It takes the notes as far as possible to cut them. Machines cut it, count it, stack it and pack it inside the boxes. Apart from this, some of the processes that are done in the meantime for the security of the notes are top secret. Coins. Making coins is very simple compared to making currency notes. For this, first of all the necessary mixtures are added and melted in the furnace. Coins are generally made by mixing steel with copper and nickel. The prepared metals will come out in the form of a bar. It is passed through a rolling machine to the desired thickness. These strips are fed into the punching machine and cut into small pieces. With the help of a computer, the weight of each piece is measured and the changed ones are ejected. The correct ones are left for the next process. Now it is heated and made soft. After that, special polishing material is placed inside and vibrated to make the surface very smooth. The mold will be ready for the shape of the coin by printing the coin on each piece. The coin is thus ready to reach the masses. Comment below which manufacturing process you like the most.